Okay, ladies and gentlemen, just to advise you, we are now getting ready for our next special train of the day, which will be our Lakeside Limited. This will be hauled by our visiting MG of the North. We're just doing a shunt over to platform 3, and that train will then form the Lunchtime Limited. So if you wish to take part on this special service, it is due to depart from platform 3 at approximately 12:15. Once again, the Lakeside Limited will be the next train to depart from platform 3, doing a 2-lap non-stop run of the railway. Returns and day rover tickets are the only valid tickets for this train. Single tickets will not be permitted.